Vistalog Earners 2024, is it legit or is it a scam? Now you are welcome back to my channel. In case you are coming for the first time, this is Emo Bella. We treat online businesses analysis, either it is legit or scam, for you to know before you put your money. And if you already put your money, what you need to do in order not to lose much money to all these scammers. So in case you are coming for the first time, please subscribe to my channel to get updated whenever I post any video. And if you are a returning subscriber, a big shout out to you. Thank you for coming. Now somebody added me to this group, Vistalog Earners 2024. So I followed the presentation. So let me quickly just give you a breakdown of what they said they are doing. They said they just launched this particular platform on the 5th of this month. That is 3 days ago. You know, today I'm making this video now. Today is 7th of January, 3 days ago. So now they now begin to send. Can you see? Look at this. This is testimony of the group. Can you see? 1 million naira paid on the 6th of January. Something that started on the 5th, they paid out 1 million naira. Another one is 72,600 naira. Another one is 12,300 naira. Are you getting it? Somebody already have 200,000 naira, 200 in his account. His or her account. These are top earners. 1,900,000, 700,000, 700,000, 600,000, 600,000. Within just 2 days that they launched the something. Are you getting it? So how does it work? Breakdown is Vistalog register with 5,000 naira, then you get 3,000 naira registration bonus. When you decide to refer, you earn 4,000 naira. When your downline refer, you earn 300 naira. When your downline refer, you earn 100 naira. 300 naira daily when you perform your task. As an affiliate user, you have access to ebook upload. You earn massive commission per sales of the book published by you. As an affiliate user, withdrawal days are Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday from 5 to 6 with a minimum of 10,000 naira. 300 on Vista posts. Incentives are guaranteed. Ranks level are fully automated on Vistalog. Payments are fully guaranteed without delay. 200 naira as your daily login. Vistalog withdrawals are made available on the 5th for non-affiliate marketers, and you get paid directly in your bank account. 14 spillovers are 100 to 500 naira daily. Now let me quickly show you something for you to know that these people can never be real. Are you getting it? It is pure scam. It is ponzi scheme. Look at it. When you are registering with 5,000 naira, the person that introduced you, that refer you, is getting 4,000 naira. Remaining how much for them? 1,000 naira. Now you that you are coming in, they are giving you 3,000 naira. Now when you register with 5,000 and they give you 3,000 naira, and the person that referred you collected 4,000 naira from them, the question is, and now they are also paying your upline up, as in the person that is superior to the person that refer you, they are also paying that one to 300 naira. There is another person that they will see pay 100 naira, making how much are they paying out? 4,000 plus 3,000, that's 7,000 naira, plus 300, that's 7,300, plus 100, that's 7,400. So for one person that joined them now, they are paying out 7,400, and that one person is joining with 5,000 naira. You should know that that is not real. It's a lie. It is a scam. This is something that we close down within few days. So please, anytime you come out, anywhere you come across this thing, Vistalog Earners is a scam. Don't put your money there. God bless you.
Souls are crying, many are dying, going to hell every night. Souls are crying, many are weeping.